Hello and welcome viewers to another video. In this video, we are going to see how we can utilize Windows Task Manager to its full potential, reveal some of its hidden features, and also we are going to see the various customization that is available to make Windows Task Manager more beautiful and useful as well. So let's jump into it. To launch your Windows Task Manager, you can simply go to your Start menu and do a right click here. And here you can see Windows Task Manager. This will open up your Windows Task Manager, or you can simply press Control, Shift and Escape key together. This will also do the same job for opening Task Manager. You can maximize or minimize your Task Manager like this. Also, you can close the navigation or open the navigation as per your requirement. If you choose to close the navigation, it will show different icons and you simply hover over it. It will show the icon name, like this is for process, this is for performance, this is for app history, this is for startup app, this is for users, this is the detail pan view and the services. Currently I am in the process view, and if you want to change the process columns, like here I am currently seeing CPU, memory, disk and network by default, you can simply choose any one of the column, do a right click, and here you will see different options available to be added. So here you can choose command line to add your command line, and here you will be able to see all the command line details. Similarly, to hide this command line, simply come here and select this command line back again. Similarly, if you switch to performance view, you will see different summary of the various resources that is being used, like CPU, memory, disk. For example, if I am choosing my CPU here I can see my current utilization of my CPU. To make it more informative, I go here and maximize this one, do a right click in this graph, and here you can see graph summary view. If you choose, it will show you only the CPU graph here. To go back to default view, simply come here and select the graph summary view again. Also, when you do a right click, it will show change graph to overall utilization. You can choose logical processor to see all the logical process that is there with your processor and their performance in single glance. So I'm going back again to my overall utilization. Similarly for memory, if you do a right click here, select view. From here also you can choose CPU, disk, network or GPU. If I go to my startup applications, here also I can add command line by simply choosing any one of the column here, do a right click, and here you can see the command line. I can add here command line. I can also add here the CPU at startup, the time taken summary. Also, I can choose running now. So this is something currently running. So you can choose whatever the columns. So you can choose different options and you can add up here. If you go to detail view tab, like if I go here and select columns, it will show me the columns that will appear on the table, like the package name, PID status. So I can choose from here like whatever I require to get it. Here you will see more button. Come here, click it and choose view, and here you can also expand all. So it will expand all the applications like this, and also you can go once again back and group it by type, expand all or collapse all. If I switch to performance mode, here again if I choose C mode, then the options will be different. Like it is currently showing me the resource monitor. If I click to open the resource monitor, I can see whatever the resources here. I can choose here and do a right click to actually end the process, analyze wait chain or resume the process. Now come down and click here on setting button. Here you can see choose application theme. Currently it is using my system setting, but I can choose dark theme as well. So my system theme is currently light, but I can choose it for my task manager separately from here as dark. Here you can see default startup page in general. Currently it shows me the process. If I want to open performance window every time when I launch my task manager, I can choose it and set it as performance here. Also, you can choose how often to update the system resources. Currently it is chosen as normal. You can also choose it as low or high. But when you choose high, your system resource utilization will go somewhat higher. So it is good to keep as normal. You can also choose the window management behavior, like how you want to manage your task manager, like when you minimize it, or like when you want to hide it. When you minimize this one, you can choose here as hide when minimized. Also you can choose always on top, like your task manager will remain on top of all the application whichever is open in your windows. So in this way you can come here and manage the settings. I hope you will find this video useful, so that you can come here and utilize this task manager to its full potential. I hope you will find this video informative, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel, because we post regularly new videos for all the tech savvies and learning professionals. So thanks for watching guys. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.